like our own calendar, you can imagine if you're starting a calendar, it's interesting because 1219, this is today's date. The classic Maya period, the period in which all of the historical inscriptions, erected on carved Maya stele or painted on classic period paintings or on vases, those all exist between the 8th Baktun, so this first digit being an 8, and being a 10. We don't have any 1s or 2s or even 6s. There are a couple of purported 7s. So that essentially, this calendar starts an awfully long way into the actual count. Now, of course, that makes sense to a certain degree. No one wants to start a calendar with day 1. Why? Because there have always been wise asses in the world. This is a certainty. We know that. There's archaeological evidence of it. If you start a calendar and you say, today is the day, if I came before you in this lovely amphitheater and said, today is the day we start a new calendar, it is day 1 of that calendar. I know that some of you are thinking, oh really, what was yesterday? Okay, I could go and say it's 0. Really, what was last week? -6. Fine. All right, that doesn't really work. We can't have negative numbers. It's day 100. How do you feel about that? Really, what about last year? Damn it. It's like day 4 million. Do any of you remember what happened before then? I don't think you do. It's my calendar. Leave it alone. That's sort of how the Maya do it, so that by the time we start getting recorded Maya dates, we're already centuries, millennia into the count, right?